Magandang umaga po. Ako po si Ray Marcel, operator ng DTF dito sa DT, Dumaguete. Ang machine dito ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw na may total na 163 meters. Ito naman yung printer head area. Pinalitan po white head last month. Tsaka damper. Ang capping naman ay may 70% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. At nozzle test. Ayan, kompleto naman yung nozzle. Ito naman yung ink tank system, yung ink level sakto lang. Ito naman yung waste tank area, last disposal po last week. Ito naman yung EVR. Ground wire. Ito naman yung mas-stock ko na resin powder at cleaning solution. Unused ink at film. Ito naman yung physical inventory, consumable withdrawal, at daily output record. Ito naman yung printer daily checklist. Salamat po.